Hello everyone. Today here we have one more theorem. This theorem is very important for class 7 to class 10 students. This theorem is based on parallelogram. Today's theorem is diagonals of a parallelogram bisect each other. So let me say something about parallelogram. You might be knowing the properties of parallelogram. Parallelogram, this is a quadrilateral in which opposite sides are equal as well as parallel, right? And two diagonals are possible. So today's theorem is that we need to prove that these diagonals, two diagonals, they bisect each other, right? Bisect each other. So let us draw first one parallelogram. We need to draw first. This is a parallelogram. Okay, here side A, B, C, D, right? This is a parallelogram. Here AD is parallel to BC and AB is parallel to DC, right? Or BA is parallel to CD, isn't it? This is a parallelogram and two diagonals AC and BD bisect each other at O. So very first you know very well that you need to write given. Okay, for हिंदी मीडियम स्टूडेंट्स आप जानते हो इस पैरेललोग्राम समानांतर चतुर्भुज और इसमें आपको प्रूव करना है कि ये जो डायगोनल्स है एक दूसरे को बाइसेक्ट करते हैं, इक्वल हाफ में कट करते हैं, राइट? तो इसके लिए फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आपको एक गिवन दिया हुआ लिखना पड़ता है. सो यू कैन राइट हियर, आई एम नॉट राइटिंग, प्लीज यू जस्ट राइट that what is given, then ABCD is a parallelogram, right? And if this is a parallelogram, then AB is parallel to DC, AD is parallel to BC, and two diagonals AC and BD bisect or intersect each other at O. Okay, you just write that given under given. After that, to prove what we need to prove here, they bisect each other, diagonal bisect each other, that is AO, number 1, AO equals to OC, and number 2, second diagonal BO equals to OD, right? That means this equals to this and this equals to this. This we need to prove it. Okay, this is proof. So now no construction is required, directly we can show the proof, right? प्रमाण और हिंदी मीडियम दिया हुआ है, साबित करना है, and then this is प्रमाण, right? Proof. Okay, so here while proving we take two triangles. Just see one triangle, this one and this one, AOD, and another one we will take BOC, AOD and BOC, right? So in triangle AOD and triangle BOC. See here once again, AOD this side, this triangle, and BOC this triangle. We need to prove it that they are congruent. Okay, and by simplicity automatically these sides will be equal. Okay na? So let's prove AOD, how AOD and BOC are congruent. Okay, so let's see here. One thing you know, that whenever two lines are parallel, see here AD is parallel to BC, right? These two are parallel. We consider AC is a transversal line, isn't it? So according to this, you know that alternate angles are always equal, right? For this angle, this will be the alternate. That means here angle CAD equals to angle BCA, or you can say angle ACB, right? Once again, since AD is parallel to BC, therefore, and AC is a transversal line, so this angle, you can say angle DAC, or you can say angle CAD equals to this angle equals to this angle. Why? Because they are alternate, right? So instead of taking CAD, we take OAD, right? Understood, no? So angle OAD equals to angle, this angle we can say OCB, angle OCB. Understood, no? They are alternate angles, alternate angles, right? Why? Since AD is parallel to BC, right? This is the region. Number one. Secondly, here this equals to this, you know, the vertically opposite angle, isn't it? So angle AOD equals to angle, this angle you can say angle BOC, they are vertically opposite angle, right? Okay, after that one more condition we need. Just recall, for congruency there are certain criteria. Criteria number one, SSS, right? Second, SAS, ASA and RHS, isn't it? So we got here two conditions we got here. The one more condition we needed, right? So one more thing you might be knowing, that in any parallelogram, किसी भी समानांतर चतुर्भुज में जो आमने सामने वाले जो साइड्स होते हैं, अपोजिट साइड्स आर नॉट ओनली पैरेलल बट दे आर इक्वल एज वेल, राइट? सो ये फैक्ट हम लोग यहाँ पे यूज करेंगे. What? Side AD equals to side BC, right? Side AD equals to side BC. Okay, now therefore these two triangles, that is triangle AOD is congruent to triangle BOC, by which criteria? So you got here two sides, here two angles and one side, that is by angle side angle, isn't it? Therefore you know that whenever two triangles are congruent, their corresponding parts are always equal. That means AO equals to, therefore AO equals to OC by CPCT, CPCT, it stands for corresponding part of congruent triangle, and this BO equals to OD, hence proved. So this is a very important theorem. Hope you understood this. अगर कहीं पे भी कोई डाउट्स वगैरह हो, देन आप प्लीज़ आप कमेंट करके आप पूछ सकते हो, सजेशन एनीथिंग एल्स. सो होप यू अंडरस्टूड. प्लीज़ इसको आप बार बार देखिए. अगर पसंद आता है तो आप लाइक कमेंट शेयर कीजिए, सब्सक्राइब कीजिए. फेसबुक में हो तो फॉलो कर लो. वेरी सुन आई विल बी कमिंग विद द नेक्स्ट वीडियो. टिल देन, बाय बाय.